Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find page on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To find a page on your Squarespace site, you can simply navigate through the site's dashboard, wherein it provides easy access to all the pages you have created or you will create. Once you're logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see your profile icon. You see that? Click the account dashboard. What will happen is you would be forwarded here on this section. This is going to be the dashboard and the domains. On the dashboard, this is the page, or if you have worked on so many pages here on Squarespace, you would see them all here. Okay? Now, all I have to do, since this is going to be the page, you might want to click on website. Click this right here. You see that? Now, under website, there's going to be an option that says Pages Panel. You will see your website structure, including the following sections like main navigation, not link right here, footer navigation, and a lot more, right? And again, just search for the page that you are looking for, which is optional. Now, if your site has many pages, you can use the search feature, which is going to be this one, within the Pages panel, depending on your version of Squarespace, to quickly find a specific page. And of course, simply click on the page name to access and edit it. For example, this one, I'm going to edit. Now, if you are having trouble finding a page because of the way it's organized, you can drag and drop pages between sections, like moving a page from not linked to main navigation to keep everything in logical order. All right, so that's one of the best ways for you to find a page on Squarespace. And again, the reason we're doing this is that if you are working on a draft or landing page in the some section here on your account, finding it allows you to make it live when it's ready to be shown, because by accessing the specific analytics for your specific pages, you can identify underperforming ones, and finding these pages allows you to update the content or design to improve their effectiveness. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.